Okay, I'm gonna make salmon head. Look at this. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, so this salmon head is cut into half. You can see. I'm gonna wash this. Oop. Alright. Wash this. And let me grab, let me see if it is descaled. Okay, it's descaled. Right. And now what I'm gonna do is, this is pretty much clean. No gills. No blood. Everything's fine. So let me just grab my baking tray. Oh no, wait. What I'll do is I will marinate this first. So for this, I'll use a hand like this. I'm in a bowl. Like what spice do I use? Oh man, this has got sharp teeth. Look at this. Oh, like sharp teeth. Really sharp. Right. Okay, to marinade, we're gonna use lemon, paprika, black pepper, some olive oil, and all these will be marinated for a while. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is squeeze some lemon juice. About 2 teaspoons, half a wedge. Okay. Then a little bit of paprika for heat. Mix it. Okay, whatever. Now what do you call it? Olive oil. Olive oil. Using one hand to shoot and a little bit, a dash. Good. This is extra virgin. This is like 2 times virgin. Alright, and now I'm gonna crack some pepper into it. Now I've got a brush, and you don't have to get fancy if you don't have brush, but right now I'm gonna mix this in. Simple. Ooh. Forgot salt. Get ready, salt. Here. Okay, got salt. You know, lemon is kind of a substitute for salt, so be careful, very careful how much salt you put, because if you over salt it, it's gonna taste bizarre, too salty. So lemon has salt, which means you're gonna just a little less salt. Okay, my marinade is ready. Now we'll bring in our drum roll salmon. Here we go. Okay, Mr. Salmon, open up your head. That's looking good. Good. Okay, so I'm just gonna brush this. Brush. And all the Alright, we'll turn this thing over. This bad boy. Okay. And just brush this. Okay. That's make it good. Okay. And here the star is the head. So I'll just lightly marinate it and put it in the fridge to marinate it for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'll see you back. Okay, in the meanwhile, I'm going to prepare my baking tray with aluminum foil. So what I'm gonna do is cover this whole thing up. Fish head. Go. Okay, the fish has been sitting for a while, marinating in the fridge. We've used lemon juice, we've used black pepper, paprika, olive oil, and salt. And that was as simple, and lemon, sorry, and that was as simple as it could be. And now it's time for me to bake. That means I'll have to preheat my oven I will be putting this fish to 180 degrees C for about 15 minutes first, and then I'll keep turning it and check. So let me show you my oven, my tiny oven. And then top sits my picture, my wedding picture. Alright, so let's go ahead and preheat this. Let me put it on 180. Oops. And put it on convection and 180. Oops. And we'll see you in 5 minutes. Bye bye. Okay, let's go to the fridge and see. Check the marinated. Okay, please ignore my fridge. It's so messy and full of stuff. Alright, just focus on the fish. Alright, the fish comes. Mr. Fish, it's time for you to go to the bed. Let's see. So first I'm gonna put the skin side down. Just try to open up as much as possible, right? Because again, you know, this little bit of juice, why don't we just go and pour it out? Oh, good stuff. Oh, yum yum. Justin Bieber, yummy. Okay, wash my hands. I'll wash it thoroughly later. I'm gonna take this, and then it's going to my oven right there. Let me open this up. Ooh, sorry for the view. And I think safety is good. So let me grab my mitten. It's a mitten. Get inside, fishy, go, okay, alright, okay, this will go inside right now. So I prefer it on the middle, or maybe one step lower to the top, and come back and check this in 15 minutes and turn it upside down. Okay, I'm gonna set the timer, this little cute little green blob timer. Turn this thing on and then set it to 15 minutes. Start. This goes right here like a magnet. And I'll see you right after 15 minutes. Okay. It's time to flip this over. I got my tongs here. Turn this off. Put this away. Okay, so let me flip the fish. Okay, you can show the fish. It looks like it's not yet cooked. Salmon, it's easy to see salmon cooked when you see this orange, dark, light orange. Okay, very carefully. It's so soft. Look at that. Right. It's okay if it breaks. Right. Yum, 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 yum. All right, another 15 minutes. Go. Right here. All right, see you in 15 minutes. Okay, my final call is here. Time to take this out. Where's my safety? Where's my safety gloves? Okay. Wow. Okay, my mitten. Get inside. Get inside. Little fisher. Okay. I think you can hear the crackling. Ooh. Look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna stop this. Alright. Here comes the final product. Okay. So final product.